All right, and we are live. Let's see, what did I do today? I PR'd stuff. I finally got all of Nate's stuff into QA, so that's really cool. And what else is really cool is we used to have to worry about making like legit emails and everything, and everything's set up differently for when we're in develop and staging, so it goes to different places with like intercom and stuff, so it's not a big concern anymore, so that's cool. And then I've just been doing some API stuff, doing some refactoring. Mark and I have been getting all of our new stuff tested with unit tests, so that's cool. What else did I do? Oh, I jumped on a phone call with Johnny a few times. He's getting the Android app ready to go, and it's awesome. And I think that's it. How about you, Nathan?
Sweet. Well, good job, Jacob, on your work today, first of all. And so today, I've been studying up on the Firestore because I'm going to actually be presenting at Cal Poly tomorrow.
It's going to be teaching.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, and I guess their students go through Firebase, and so we're just going to go through like a little chat app and introduce the Firestore and everything for them. So I've been studying up on that. I've been in the subscriber Slack channel. And I guess really that's it. Just learning, building an app with the Firestore, and that's it.
Firestore's pretty sweet, huh?
It is. Yeah, I like it a lot. I'm learning from this really good teacher. He just released a course.
Yeah.
Is he a bearded fellow?
App, yeah.
Oh,
good old Johnny B.
Woo!
What word on the street was he cranked that course out in 2 days?
Yeah, that's nuts.
Yeah, word on the street.
What street?
All right, cool, man. The Dev Street, yo. It's a dangerous place. There's a lot of bugs. Poorly written code in the Dev Street. It's a dangerous place.
Yeah.
Not saying Johnny's code is that. I'm just saying that's what exists in the Dev Streets.
You had to dodge
There's
it.
words on those streets.
So,
all right,
like when you
Jason,
taught yourself how to code, do you say, "Yeah, I grew up on the dev streets. I didn't have a classical education like you. I had to teach myself from Stack Overflow. I know what the streets are like."
Yeah.
Exactly.
Oh man, like 8 jokes ran through my head. I couldn't.
Right on. All right. Today, man, I was just all over the place doing things everywhere. So we got 6 new courses uploaded to the app on Firestore. Some excellent courses that Johnny created. So 3 courses on Firestore for iOS and then 3 for Android. So I polished that up and we got that pushed live. I've been able to knock out like 70 messages on intercom.
Hold on, that was a really crappy announcement for like all these courses coming out.
Dude, it's a big deal.
Okay, start over.
Okay. So, dude, Johnny has...
The camera's right here.
Okay.
And you're right there.
So, oh, I didn't help. Okay. No, so Johnny has been just slaying it. He's put together these brand new courses for iOS and Android on Firestore. So Firestore is really cool. It's a NoSQL document database technology for Firebase. It's new. And so Johnny is like one of the first ones to market, like Devslopes is one of the first ones to market because of Johnny, to make these courses available for you. you probably can't find these things really anywhere else, and definitely not done as good as Johnny does them, right? And, you know, sending your random thoughts up to the database. That's the app that you build. Anyways, it's cute. I'm just kidding.
He just, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Get
He
this guy.
called your app cute.
No,
Well,
it's
all right, Mark.
you should check out the sales pitch on it. It's great. So yeah, so we got those courses up there, and then I've been all over Intercom today, knocked out like 70 messages, been doing a ton of stuff with sales, and that such, you know, getting people into lifetime access, and then have started working on some of the revamp design stuff that Evan has sent over. Would you guys like me to do a take 3 on Johnny's new Firestore?
I think we're good.
Okay.
I mean, you could start talking, and I'll just mute you.
I will say, to add to what Jason said, he did a good job. But the Firestore, so we had Firebase as a company. That's how we launched originally. And we ran into issues with having static data and then uploading versions and stuff. And they fixed all those problems. Not only have they fixed them, but they've created elegant solutions. And Firestore is their new scalable back end. And what they're trying to do is promote companies to build their entire infrastructure on it. And they now have cloud functions as well, too. And everything, every problem we ever had when we started Devslopes has now been solved. And you know, had this existed when we started, we probably would still be on Firebase. So really powerful stuff, and it just came out like 2 weeks ago, and we had these courses done within days. So you aren't going to find them anywhere else. And it's on Android too. Android got a lot of love on this. So if you're on Android, take this course right away. And these are live in the apps, Johnny, right now?
Yeah.
Great. This is great.
It's all there.
Yeah.
This is really cool.
It's playing it hard in these streets.
I do still need to add exercises, but yeah, those are coming.
Yeah.
Tight.
Yeah, and just so the whole team knows, you know, when we get on these guided learning paths, I will be hounding you like crazy about exercises for an infinite amount of things. We're going all in. So just so you can be aware, start thinking about when you're making these courses, to engaging these students with those exercises, because we're going all in on that. So for me, I've spent the last 8 hours of work, coding work at least, getting our project more beta with unit tests on our API. And so we have some really crazy, fantastic modularized systems for unit testing on the API with the goal to eliminate bugs in the future. And I finally broke down and did it. And so anyway, that's a feature I'm building. Will be coming out soon, where we're actually I'll just tell you right now, we're going to be launching the Amazon Echo. Basically, if we get 150 brand new purchases and for lifetime access, we will be giving every single purchaser a free Amazon Echo Dot with a 3-hour Alexa course, so you can actually hack your Echo Dot, and that'll be coming to everybody. And so it's a stretch goal, and that's what I've been working on, and it's hopefully going live tonight. So you'll see that there. So really cool. Had a lot of phone calls today. There's a lot of buzz around this lifetime access, meeting with partners, affiliates, things like that. Just everyone's super excited about it. So there's a lot of stuff. It's good. It's all good. I'm done, Jacob.
Sweet, man.
It's like end code,
Yeah,
end curly brace slash.
Well, I don't know. I didn't know if you wanted to drag it on, like you finish
Return.
and then you keep talking,
Return.
and then you have like version 3 of your update.
Resolve. Mark is finished talking.
Say you're not, though.
Semicolon. Semicolon.
You don't even have a test for this, promise.
Oh my gosh.
All right. Well, good work. And all of Mark's code is really awesome. He made a really good refactor base for our whole API. So it's gonna be nice getting through all of our code and adding tests to everything. Johnny B.
Yo, let's see here. So Last night I did some streaming on the Android app. Spent about an hour live, and I got the project kind of set up. A little bit, well, more than set up. We worked on the login UI, worked on the pull-out menu, got that all finished up. Yeah, it's coming together. And then so that's what I did last night. And then this morning worked on verifying all of the new Firestore courses, which is pretty time intensive. You got to download all the assets, download all the lessons offline, check everything. So it took a little while. And then I jumped back into the Android app, and I'm working on getting the login stuff all done. I can log in, but Realm's not in yet. So that's what I'll be working on tonight. So it's coming along.
Sweet, dude.
Great work.
Good work.
Hey, Jacob, let's make sure from an engineering standpoint, a part of our team, to make sure that I don't know what you're working out with Johnny, but make sure we get some code pushes. We should do. The more PRs, the better, especially even when things aren't like a feature's not complete. It's okay to do a PR so long as there's not commented code and junk like that. The reason being is we will want to make sure that we don't have the same problems we've had in the past, like with iOS and doing so much client-side stuff. And so we can help Johnny as he goes along, make sure the architecture and everything is built for the future and success, and the API changes we're going to make for security increases and such. It'll just be good for him to be posting code almost daily, if not every other day, so we can review it and give some feedback.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm actually
I'll do that.
Glad you
brought that up. Every story should probably be like a feature branch and a PR.
Yeah, I have right from the get-go, I did my master branch, and then I immediately created a develop branch off of that, and then my feature branch off of that.
Okay,
I'll create a PR. Maybe probably tonight I'll do some cleanup and get everything self-contained, and then I'll do a PR off that.
Yeah.
Awesome, great.
Also, that's another reason why we had such a big failure when we gave Nate the comments feature. Thinking about it in retrospect here is the more PRs we do in digestible chunks, the better the code will turn out, and the better we'll realize where we are exactly. So I'm actually really excited to see these PRs go through. Keep Johnny feeling like he's got it marking off his checklist, and we'll feel the same way, and it'll be good.
Nice.
Yeah, for sure. Sweet. All right, Evan.
What's going on, everybody? Basically, a lot of everything's like lifetime access, which is really cool. So yeah, like Mark said, a bunch of calls with some potential partnerships. Got some more affiliates on board. Design stuff. Some tweaks to the landing page. Let's see what else. Edited a video for the campaign that Caleb posted. It's gonna go. I think we're choosing somebody later tonight. I don't know what time, but he'll update everybody on that. Ink Magazine, Ink.com. If you guys are watching by happenstance or see this, please reach out to us. We shot you a DM, but we would love to have a conversation. And let's see what else. Just a lot of stuff surrounding that. Started QA testing for iOS. And that's about it. Yeah.
Good work,
Awesome.
man. And those
I have one.
great.
I have one favorite team member who starts QA right away. It's amazing. I didn't even have to hound. I didn't even have to do the @channel tags yet.
I got the note.
Let me just say, if the VP of product is not QA testing, then our company has a big problem.
It's a big problem.
I
I forgot to mention, everyone out there who got our iOS app broken on you, if you have a iPhone 5C, this update will fix that, and we apologize for breaking our app on you. it won't happen too often. Hopefully never again.
Because we're writing unit tests, right?
Well, that was, so I learned an interesting thing. The Xcode project overrides your targets. And so I always double checked the target for minimum release numbers. And the actual overall project, the minimum release got changed to iOS 11, and that overrode our 9.3 iOS version, and it broke the app for everyone that can't update to iOS 11. So
you know what,
that was,
I bet you that's something we could have caught with like continuous integration of some kind.
yeah, probably. And yeah, because we could have simulators and stuff all running different versions, and yeah. But anyways. That's that. And how about you, Caleb?
Hey guys, so today I did a bunch of social media stuff. Evan mentioned he edited a video that was for a post today. We're doing a giveaway of one lifetime access account in a last comment wins competition, basically, where people are commenting in. And 10 p.m. tonight is when we're going to live stream selecting the last comment. I'm going to, as soon as it hits 10 p.m., refresh the page and choose whoever is the last commenter. So if you're watching this and you have not gone to our Instagram, if you want lifetime access, go comment and make sure that you are the last comment at 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, because we're going to live stream and choose someone. I've basically been managing that all day today, engaging with people in social media. We also had a call with a partner just to discuss some details. Mark, I sent you a PDF of the terms. I don't know if you saw it. Just give it a look. Let me know if anything needs to change. And yeah. Oh, I also did some prep for our YouTube content that we are in the process of preparing and getting excited for just really engaging live content as well as static content that is just really good for engagement and what you guys want to see. So that's what I did.
Great.
Sweet, man.
Awesome work. And guys, just so you know, Caleb, everybody knows your face. You're like the face of Devslopes on Instagram, everything. But he is so good at engaging. Vicky commented on our video, and it said she commented 59 seconds ago, and then 58 seconds ago he responded. That's how fast he is. I wish I could have got a screenshot.
He's fast. Awesome. Every time I respond to a story, it's like he's on it. Because I always like to tell him how cool he is.
I've made that a goal to respond as quickly as possible to people. Actually, we've gotten like four or five comments right now, so people are probably stressing out that I'm not responding. So I think I'm dead or something. I don't know.
Well, dude, great job, man.
Thanks.
Our Instagram account entertains me. I like that.
Well, that's good. I've met my goal then.
It's fun. It's really fun.
Good. I want to make it fun.
All right. Well, good work, everyone. And let's see. Jason, Caleb, QA.
Okay.
Yes, I'm on it. I'm on it now.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Oh,
yeah.
Yeah, I'll message you, Jacob, just a sec. But yeah, good. Cool.
Yay.
All right. See you guys.
Bye.
See ya.
Yeah.